Hi friends, I'm Natalie, Independent Damsel Pro, and this is Warrior Weekdays. Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the junk in the trunk. I'm sure like everyone, we all have some junk in our trunk. But if you have a student or a new driver or somebody going off to college this next year, or even maybe yourself, and you don't have, say, jumper cables, emergency blankets, a first aid kit, tire gauge, that kind of stuff already in your car for them, this is a great option. This is kind of an all-encompassing little packet. It is, as you can see, it was pretty small. I will give you kind of a stop motion of what all is in there and then label stuff underneath so you can see, but there's a poncho, there's a light, there's a headlamp, there's all kinds of stuff. It's very comprehensive. There's even a deck of cards in there so you can keep yourself entertained while you're waiting for the tow truck. So one thing I would add to the junk in the trunk, as good as it is a weapon of some sort. So either the Socket Slim or the Socket Toomey or maybe a stun gun. I would probably go with one of these because it's something where you can just slip it down inside and you don't have to worry about charging it, whereas this you're going to want to check the charge on it once a month, once every 2 months to make sure it's still good to go. Whereas these are good forever. So just something like this to kind of have on hand just in case is a really good idea. The other thing I would highly, highly recommend for new drivers is the Road Trip tool. Love this little guy. It is a flashlight, a dimmer, a strobe. Hope I didn't give you all seizures there. It's got a beacon on it. This is magnetized, so you can actually stick it on top of your car and as you wait for the tow truck and you tell them, hey, there's a beacon on top of my car, they can come find you. There's an alarm. It's got, let me see, it's got window punch and a seatbelt cutter here. So you can also actually charge your phone off of it. There's one charge on here. So if you need an emergency phone call, need that 911 call, your phone battery is dead, you can plug it in here, you can get one charge off of it and make your phone call. This is nice to keep in the car. You want it within reach if you're in an accident, so you can cut your way out, punch the window, whatever needs to happen. So this is the Road Trip tool. So those are our items today. We've got the junk in the trunk. Again, I would add maybe a striking tool to that. I would also put some extra batteries in there for the stuff like your headlamp and the light. The light is nice too, that little light. It actually, you could hang it, which is cool. So if you needed to hang it, say from the hood as you're working on something or maybe in the trunk, those are really, it's good to have. It's got that bungee cord. There's just a lot of good stuff in there. Road Trip tool, again, you've got your strobe light. So you can use it as protection, you can use it to, you know, get attention. You've got your beacon, you've got the alarm, you've got the, my favorite honestly is the window punch. And how to use the window punch, actually, let's talk about that real quick, is you're gonna hold that against the driver's window in the corner and just push. And it'll splinter the window and then you push it out. So it's not gonna shatter the glass, it's gonna spider the glass, and then you just push the window out. That way it doesn't come in back in on you, which we don't want. I've had glass come in. I pulled glass out of my ears for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days during a car accident about 10 years ago, and don't recommend it, so use one of these. So like and subscribe, have a great week, and stay safe out there. Remember to spray, stun, and run, and stay safe out there.